In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep for managing team tasks, productivity, 2026. We're going to turn Google Keep into a simple, reliable workflow that helps you and your team stay focused and move faster. Start by opening Google Keep in your browser. Click the menu icon in the top left and choose Create New Label. Add a few broad labels to organize everything you'll capture, such as clients, content ideas, urgent, finance, personal, and follow-ups. Keep labels short and meaningful. Too many labels create clutter, so aim for a handful that you'll actually use every day. Next, create actionable checklists. Click New Note, then tap the checkbox icon to switch the note into a list. Add one task per line so each item can be checked off independently. For example, you might add tasks like edit YouTube video, schedule a Facebook post, reply to client email, or follow up insurance lead. As you work, tick completed items to build momentum and drag tasks up or down to quickly reorder priorities without rewriting anything. Give your notes instant visual meaning by color coding them. Use green for income-related tasks, red for urgent items that need attention now, blue for admin work, and yellow for content planning. Consistent colors act like a visual dashboard, helping you scan and decide what to do next in seconds. Turn notes into commitments with reminders. Open a note, click the bell icon labeled Remind Me, and set the date and time. You can also add a location-based reminder that triggers when you arrive at a specific place, and those alerts will appear across your devices. With reminders, Keep becomes a lightweight task manager that nudges you right when you need it. Pin your priorities so they stay front and center. Use the pin icon on your top 3 tasks for the day, your weekly goals, or key revenue targets. Pinned notes always sit at the top, which keeps distractions from pushing the most important work out of view. Build a simple daily productivity system with a reusable note. Create a daily focus note titled something like Daily Focus, Feb 23. Add sections for top 3 priorities, secondary tasks, follow-ups, and end-of-day wins. Duplicate this template each morning to keep your planning consistent and your progress measurable. Finally, connect Keep with other Google apps. Reminders can sync with Google Calendar. You can send notes directly into Google Docs for longer write-ups, and in Gmail, you can turn important emails into notes. Keeping everything in one ecosystem reduces friction and helps your team stay aligned.